Okay guys, I have finished this one so far, and I'm letting it dry. So this one, and now I'm starting to work on this one, guys. So that's what it is. Alrighty guys, this is the final result of the eyelashes. Look down for me. Yeah, so they're still like, I want to make sure that they dry all the way, but final results, and you can look up now. Okay, look toward me. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, here are a couple still shot of the eyelash extension. Like I say, I haven't been doing them that long, but I enjoy doing them, guys. Practice and make perfect, and I'm gonna keep on going until I am at excellence, guys. So yes, this is my second time doing my sister's, but she wanted them much more fuller, so now I added a lot more fullness to it. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching.